Start by shredding papers. By the way, this is Formula Y. Remember, Formula Y. If you can make it smaller than this, much better. Pour hot water. You can use cold water, but you will need to soak the paper much longer. While we soak the paper in hot water, we will make a container for the Formula Y. We will make these bottles wish to be recycled. Measure the length of your finger to the bottom of the bottle. This will make sure we can reach all of paper mache when it gets full. Cut the measured length. Be careful when using sharp tools. Cover the cut part because it is sharp and can cause critical damage to your HP. We will use masking tape. The water may be still hot, so I recommend to try touching it after an hour or two, or if you are in hurry, pour cold water. The longer the paper is soaked, the easier it will tear into tiny bits. You can use whatever method you want as long as you crush the paper. Time to separate the paper from the water by using old socks that you will not use. To combine all the scattered crushed paper on the sock, just dip it in the water and lift it. Repeat this until it all goes and combine at the bottom of the sock. Squeeze the combined crushed paper but make sure it still has moist and little water. add water if it is too dry. Do not use all of the crushed paper to mix it with flour, because if there is a leftover when combined with flour, the smell after 1 day of the mixture will be insta-killed. Add flour little by little, until the texture is mushy and like a clay. If it is easy to be shaped like clay, then it is good to go. Be sure to keep the unused crushed paper moist, sealed, and not mixed with the paper with flour. To complete the Formula Y, just dip it in our Formula X, then shape it just like the way you want. You can reshape Formula Y while it is still wet. This is the result. Look at the curve. Just put one layer of paper mache after it dried and it is done. This is Formula X. It is just a mixture of white glue and water. And I will teach you a special technique. You just need 2 fingers. Dip it in the Formula X. Let it dry, and then, if your finger is sticking to each other while it dries, then Formula X is good. Too sticky, just add water. Not sticky, just add white glue. See, this is perfect.